Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, enable iCloud Notes and verify the same Apple ID on all devices so sync works. Create 2 or 3 top-level folders plus an inbox for capture. This prevents chaos. Turn on Quick Note and assign its default folder so you can jot ideas with one swipe. Also enable Face or Touch ID locks for sensitive notes. Once done, test by creating a quick note, adding a title and one line. Make sure it syncs to another device before moving on. Now focus on execution. Tag every note with simple keywords and build smart folders to surface work automatically. This saves searching. Use the handwriting to text feature when you sketch with an Apple Pencil. Diagrams stay with the note and are searchable. Attach PDFs, photos, or web links for context, and convert long lists into a checklist or a table to make decisions faster. Once you combine tags, attachments, and checklists, your notes become actionable documents you can filter, share, and complete without losing momentum. To finish, export completed notes as PDF or share a notes link so collaborators can comment. Archive older items into a dated folder to keep the inbox lean. Make search work for you. Use precise keywords in Spotlight and rely on OCR for scan documents to find text inside images. If something goes wrong, sync stops or notes disappear, toggle iCloud Notes off and on, confirm you have enough iCloud storage, and sign out and back into your Apple ID. That usually restores sync quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.